Second unit topics are in the machine learning, neural network representations and introduction of neural networks, and problems of the neural networks and backpropagation algorithm, genetic algorithms and representation of the genetic algorithms and problems in the genetic algorithms. These are the topics in the second unit. The first one is the introduction in the neural network. Introduction in the neural network. Introduction in the neural network. A neural network learning methods provide a robust approach to approximating the real valued and discrete valued and vector valued target functions. For example, the backpropagation algorithm to describe in this chapter has proven surprisingly successfully in many practical problems, such as learning to recognize handwritten characters. One more application is the handwritten characters. Recognizing handwritten characters, learning to recognize spoken words, and learning to recognize faces. Okay, in a biological motivation of the neural networks, the study of neural networks has been inspired in the part by the observation that is a biological learning system are built of very complex webs of interconnected neurons. Artificial neural networks are built out of a densely interconnected set of simple units. Okay, interconnected between a set of simple units. Okay, where each unit takes a number of real valued input. Where each unit set of units, where each unit takes a number of real valued inputs, possibly the outputs of the other units, and produce the single real valued output. Okay, which may become the input to many other units. Okay, let us consider a few facts from the neurobiology. The human brain, for example, is estimated to contain a densely interconnected. Okay, human brain containing a densely interconnected set of neurons are in the human mind. A network of approximately 10 to the power of 11 neurons in a human mind, each connected on average to 10 others. Okay, neurons activity is typically excited or inhibited through connection to other neurons. The fastest neuron switching times are known to be on the order of 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Okay, while it is slow compared to computer switching speed is the 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. Okay, humans responding time is the 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds, and computer switching speed is the 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. Okay, how to represent the neural network? How to represent the neural network? A prototypical example of artificial neural network learning is provided by Pomerleau 1993 system Alvin, automotive land vehicle in the neural networks, which uses a learned artificial neural networks to steer an autonomous vehicle driving at normal speed on a public highways, like a driverless car. The input to the neural network is 30 and 32 grid of pixels intensities. The 30 by 32 grid of pixel intensities. Okay, camera intensities. Okay, obtained from the forward pointed camera mounted on the vehicle. Okay, with the camera on the front of the vehicle. The network output is the direction in which the vehicle is steered. The artificial neural network is trained to mimic the observed steering commands of a human driving the vehicle for approximately 5 minutes. Approximately, it's mimic the human brain. It mimic the human brain driving the vehicle, and how to move the car, left and right, front and back. It captures the object from the front side, back side, and left and right. Capture the object is front and back, left and right. Okay, for approximately 5 minutes. Automotive land vehicle in neural networks has used its learned networks to successfully drive at speed up to 70 miles. per hour and for a distance of 90 miles on a public highways, driving the left lane of a divided public highways with other vehicle present. Okay, this is the automotive land vehicle in a neural network. This is the car, camera fixed into the front of the car. It's observing the left side and right side and the front and back side. Objectives are observed. This one based on the object movements. The car steering movements are depends upon the objectives. Depends upon the objectives movements. Okay. This is the camera. Okay. These are the neurons. These are the neurons. Okay. Left side and this is the image of the curve. The first one is start left and straight and right. Okay, left, straight, right. 30 units total. 30 units in the camera. Okay, out of 30, below 4 are the hidden units. Below 4 are the hidden units. Okay, this is the 30 by 32 sensor input retina. Sensor input retina. This is the sensor input retina, and this is the observing the objective information, objective data. Okay, a neural network learning to steer an autonomous vehicle. The Alvin system, automotive land vehicle in the neural network system, uses a backpropagation to learn to steer an autonomous vehicle. The photo at top driving at speed of 70 miles per hour. The diagram on the left shows how the image of a forward mounted camera is mapped to 960 neural networks inputs, which are feed forwarded to 4 hidden units. Okay, connected to the 30 output units. Connected to the 30 output units. And network outputs encode the command steering direction. The figure on the right shows weight values for the one of the hidden units in the network. The 30 by 32 weights into the hidden units are displayed in the large matrix. With white blocks are indicating the positives and blacks are indicating the negative weights. The weights from the hidden units, 30 output units, are depicted by the smaller rectangular blocks. Okay, smaller rectangular box. Here the blacks and here the black are indicating, the white are indicating, blacks are indicating the positives and whites are indicating the negative. The weights from the hidden units, 30 output units, are depicted by the smaller rectangular block. Okay, directly above the large block. As can seen from these output weights, activation of this particular hidden units encourages turn toward the left. And next one is the appropriate problems for a neural network learning. The backpropagation algorithm is the most commonly used in the artificial neural network learning technique. It is appropriate for the problems with the following characteristics. And first problem is the instances are represented by a many attribute space. The target function to be learned is to define over the instances that can be described by a vector of a predefined features or attributes, such as a pixel values in the Alvin example, automated land vehicle in a system, neural network system example. These input attributes may be highly correlated or independent of another input values, can be any real values. Okay, real values of the first one. And next one problem is the training example may contains error. Okay, training examples may contains error. Artificial neural network learning methods are quite robust to noise in the training data. And next one, to target the function, output may be discrete valued, real valued, or a vector value. Several real discrete value attributes. For example, automotive land vehicle in a neural network system. The output vector 30 attributes, each corresponding to a recommendations to regarding the steering directions. Okay, total 30 attributes. Okay, for the steering direction. The value of each output some real numbers between the 0 and 1. Each of these case corresponding to the confidence of predicting the corresponding steering directions and the corresponding directions. We can also train a single network output, both the steering command and the suggested to acceleration, simply by concentrating the vectors that is encoding the those two outputs or predictions. Long training times are acceptable. Network training algorithm by typically require a longer training algorithm times than say decision tree learning algorithm. Training times can range from a few seconds to many hours, depending upon the factors such as the number of weights in the network. The number of training examples are considered in the example. Okay, and the settings of various learning algorithms parameters. Here to take the large amount of data for to constructing a decision tree. Okay. Here the fast evaluation of the learn target function may be required. Although artificial neural networks learning times are relatively long, evaluating the learn network in order to apply into a subsequent instance is typically very fast. For example, automated land vehicle in the neural network applies a neural network several times for a second to continually updating the steering commands the vehicle drive forward. And next one is the ability of human to understand the learn target function is not important. The weights learned by neural networks are often difficult for a human to interpret. Learned neural networks are less easily communicated to humans than learned rules. Okay. This is the introduction and representation of the neural network. Several units are interconnected between. In the hidden layer also interconnected between the neural network. Okay. Here the data, here the information passed to the one node to another node. This is the representation on introduction of the neural networks.